So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our baking dish here. You can choose a shallow baking dish or a deep baking dish. I have a deep one here, I just find it keeps things a bit neater. Then we're going to pop into our baking dish some sponges, some of those standard sort of kitchen sponges that you can get just from the supermarket. We're going to pour in some plain water. Not too much, enough for the sponges to soak it up, but you don't want to have a big old puddle underneath. So we've got some water there, that's okay, but no huge puddle. So we've got that. You might press it around a bit so it all soaks up, or most of it soaks up. Then we're going to just pop on top some baking paper, press it down, and there you go. You have a keep wet palette that you have made all by yourself, which will allow your paint to stay workable for up to approximately 1 week.